Mark Twain once said, "Too much of anything is bad, but too much good whiskey is barely enough." Well, it's a good thing Mark was an author and not a bar owner. You ever wonder what happened to that extra case of coconut-flavored vodka you received for buying 7 cases of Tito's? If you answered yes, you're not alone, and you probably have many more examples. Although taking advantage of your vendor's specials might be cheaper in the long run, the consequences of sitting on too many of any item could have detrimental effects to your business. In an effort to increase visibility into areas of your operation that have too much cash tied into them, BevSpot allows you to generate an excess and unused inventory report. Once you have some usage data in BevSpot, you're able to see how much inventory you're sitting on in comparison to what you're going through on a weekly basis. This will help you order smarter, as well as empower you to get creative with ways to get excess product off your shelf, and as a result, start collecting revenue off of what was previously dead stock. Up top, we're able to set the report to reflect data from any inventory cycle. It's recommended that customers choose a date range of 4 weeks or more in order to get the most actionable insights. Once we click Run Report, BevSpot will show you how much excess inventory you have overall in dollar value. Now I want you to think of that value being added into your bottom line next month. How do we get there? Well, if you look below, you'll see a graph showing you the top items you have in excess along with its total amount you have in stock versus what you should be carrying. I know it's a lot, but if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see how BevSpot calculates this data from your usage and will even suggest par levels for each of those items. In addition to showing you what products you have too much of, we'll also be able to show you which products that simply haven't moved off your shelf at all between any chosen time period. Enter our unused inventory report. These items are just sitting here, not moving, collecting dust, taking up space, and asking to be stolen or broken. Ideally, you'll want to see small amounts of high-end liquor or wine. However, you never need to see a surplus of items that you get from a case break. Now what? What can we do today to generate revenue off of these items tomorrow? Meet with our team to discuss ways to improve this number, specifically within your operation, or chat with one of our support specialists who will walk you through how to calculate this even more in depth.